Hey Karen, I just wanted to show you how you can add an assignment that will just show up for your section only. So if you go into assignments and click add assignment, you can say that you want Unit 5, Standard 1, formative work, and type in your description, which you can just copy and paste from the one that I have. And then let's say you want the deadline for that to be next week, so maybe March 7th. Then you'll just set that to, it'll automatically populate to quarter 4. And the way that you set it for just your section is right above the due date here. You can click the box for create assignment for all sections, and you can turn all of my sections off. So your section is the one called section 012, and that you can just change to whatever deadline you want. So then you do what you would normally do, finish it off this way, create gradebook entry, formative, 3 points, and save. So now, if you go into the gradebook if I go into my gradebook for one of my classes and look in quarter 4, it shouldn't show up. And it does not, but if we go into your gradebook for quarter 4, it should show up, and it's right there. All right, I hope that this helps.